Relax. I'm just trying to talk to you. What is your deal? Don't spit on me.
On February 4th, 2023, officers were dispatched in response to a battery report. Dispatch advised that a woman seeking help had entered the victim's house because her car had broken down. She also had 2 children with her. Here's what happened when the police arrived.
You okay?
My car doesn't have any gas in it. I just need to get home. I got my daughters in the back seat. It's cold.
Okay, real quick, you don't have any weapons or anything in your
No,
pockets,
I
do you?
don't.
Mind just taking your hands out real quick?
Yeah.
Just pay your pockets down. And your car broke down?
It's out of gas.
Where do you live at? Okay. Hold on a second.
30, your number is 22661. 22661.
You gonna talk to me? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I just want to get home.
Yeah.
My daughters are in the back seat. I want to get home.
Okay, you just ran out of gas.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
You mind if I get there real quick? Hold on, just keep the door open. I just want to talk to you, that's all. Where are you guys coming from? Anywhere good? Hi, guys.
Hi.
What's your name? You mind if I open the door?
10.
Did you have your license?
I'm looking for it right now.
Okay, can I just get your name? That's all. Why are you all upset?
Because I'm trying to get home with my daughters.
I know. I'm trying to help you.
Okay, here you go. Bye.
Josephine, relax.
Bye.
Hold on a second. I have your
I want to
ID.
close my door. It's cold, bro.
Do you want help or no?
Yeah, I want my door closed.
Yeah, well, let me talk to you.
Close my door. What is you doing opening my door,
6, I got
bro?
a file
Alright.
if you need it.
Bye. Bye.
Leave the door open.
No,
Stop.
no, you filed it.
Josephine, enough. What are you
You
doing?
a clown, bro.
Relax.
Move!
I'm just trying to talk to you.
Move!
What is your deal? Don't spit on me.
Move.
Do not spit on me. She's not making much sense. She hopped back in the car.
Yeah.
She got her 2 kids in the car.
Oh, okay.
Hi. Can I talk to you now, Josephine?
I want to talk to somebody else.
Okay. Do you want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's what she told the other officer.
What's your first name?
I'm Joseph. I just want to get my kids home. That's all.
Do you want to press the alarm button?
I don't have it.
You don't have your key? Where's it at? So like
I just want to get home. My car ran out of gas. I just want to get home.
Where's home at?
My
Okay.
dad was a police officer from Midlothian for 20 years.
Okay.
And Cresta for like 5.
Okay.
I just want to go home. Me and my kids in the car, you feel me?
Sure.
I'll get my... I thought I was getting my car today, but I don't know where my key went. That's the only thing.
Well, you had to have had your key to drive it this far, right?
Yeah, I did, but then I went home, I went to sleep, I showered, you know what I mean? I left it right here because it ran out of gas, you know?
Where were you coming from? Where did you start driving at?
You know,
Okay.
I was going to get some new Nikes, and then my shit ran out.
Okay. So you left your house and trying to go to the mall?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So you have to have your key on you, right?
I don't have it on me right now. Am I getting a ride to my house or what? Can I close my door if you're not taking me to my house?
Well, I mean, we got to figure out where exactly
Right.
you live and everything
Okay,
like that.
so let me get a phone call,
Okay.
because me and my daughters deserve that.
Okay. Who are you gonna call?
My mother.
Do you live with her?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay. Have you taken anything tonight?
No.
Do you know where you're at?
Yes, I know where I'm at.
Where?
On 159th and Midlothian Turnpike, something like that.
Okay. Okay. You haven't taken anything tonight?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Well, you're not making a lot of sense, so that's why we're asking.
Okay, well, me and my daughters make a lot of sense in this world, okay? Me and my daughters make a lot of sense in this world, so let me get home to me and my daughters,
Okay.
and we go to sleep, okay?
Okay.
All right?
All right.
The woman continued to be difficult.
Alton, he was a Midlothian police officer for about 20 years until he put me on camera when I was 5 years old and my cousin, okay? That's what he did. Me and my cousin on camera because of him. So what's up? You want to call him?
No.
Me and my dad for 20 years, Midlothian Police Department. You want to call him right now? No, you don't. You don't. Me and my cousin that's about 6 months younger than me, on camera because of Midlothian Police Department. So what's up?
Okay.
I'm trying to go home.
Okay.
I'm trying to go home with me and my daughters, where me and my daughters are safe at.
So I'm assuming that your dad doesn't live with you guys?
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
He lives in.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want us to give your mom a call?
Yeah,
Okay.
whatever I can get home to. You feel me? Me and my daughters. Me and my daughters. I don't want nobody touching my daughters or me.
Nobody's gonna touch you.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know what the issue
That's
is.
great. That's great. So call my mama then.
Why are you so aggressive with us?
Because you got that blick right there. Can you call
What?
my mom?
I got the what?
Can you call my OG? Can you call my mama?
What's an OG?
What's up, boo-boo? You ready to go home to Mimi?
You got
You want to go home to Mimi? Y'all want to
You
go
wanna write
home
her
to Mimi?
phone number down?
Me too,
Mom?
girl.
Number if she'll give it to you.
Me too, girl. I'm ready to go home to Mimi.
What's the problem with the horn?
I'm trying to get home. Me and my daughter trying to get home. That's it. That's all. We on 150 in Central right now.
Well, you're certainly not, right? And that's part of the reason why we're here speaking with you,
Right.
right? You have no idea where you are,
Right.
right? You're probably 8 or 9 miles from in Central right now, okay?
8 or 9 miles.
Yeah,
That's
so
like
that's
4 miles.
It's
It's
a,
like 4.
it's a significant
It's
issue.
like 4.
Her answers made the officers suspect she was intoxicated.
Josephine, let me ask you a question. How did you drive your car here without your car keys?
Because I was door dashing earlier, and DoorDash doesn't pay out instantly. So when you don't pay out instantly, I can't get the gas money in my car. So
Josephine.
this shit broke down right here on 159th. I'm on 159th right now.
No.
So
I didn't ask about your gas. I'm simply wondering where your car keys
my
are
car keys are with who it needs to be with. My car keys are with who it needs to be
at.
with.
What does that mean?
It means who they need to be with. What?
Okay, what have you taken tonight?
Nothing at all.
Nothing?
No.
Okay.
prescribed anything?
No.
No, nothing at
No.
all.
Are you prescribed anything? You look like it with
Hi,
your
is this
big
Charlotte?
fat head ass.
How old are your daughters?
How old are your daughters?
I don't have daughters.
Good. You have sons?
No.
Oh, well, why are you asking me about my kids?
I'm just making conversation.
Okay,
And
okay.
also, it's a little concerning as to how hostile you are, considering we're the only
Because
ones
these
out
are my
here.
daughters.
Considering we're the only
y'all
ones
some
out here
clucks.
who are gonna
Y'all
help
some
you.
clucks. Y'all not finna
So, do you
help
wanna
me
help
shit. Y'all
yourself?
finna put me in jail. What the you talking about?
For what?
Right, for what? For what?
You're the
For
one
what?
saying that we're gonna take
For
you to
what?
jail. For what?
For what? On what?
Has
On
anybody
what?
of us, has any of us told you that we're gonna take you to jail? So why do you keep bringing it up? And why are you so hostile with us?
Y'all lucky y'all got my door open like this.
What is that supposed to mean?
That means
Here's what the woman's mother told the police.
me and Zola and Midge in the car, bro. We just need to ride home at this point, Mom.
Who is with you? Anybody
It's
else?
just
Any
no,
adults?
it's just me, Midge, and Zola.
Okay, listen. Your car broke down because you ran out of gas?
Yes, yep.
Okay, listen. Are you Okay. They are not your enemies.
I'm not trying to make them my
I want-
enemies, bro. Look,
Josie.
I get that I don't need everybody to understand what the I've been through
Stop.
with a big
Josie.
forehead asses.
Stop.
I understand that shit. I understand
Josie.
that shit.
They don't know what you have
What I've been through. They don't know what I've been through. They don't know what I've been through.
Josie,
Would you be willing to come out here and pick her up, her and your grandkids?
We're in Indiana.
So you can't come to Orland Park right now?
Is she like close to a gas station? I sent her money.
No, she doesn't even know where the keys are.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you're able to come here?
Yes.
I don't think that'll work.
No, and it's the other question of like in control. We have to find those. You know what I mean?
Y'all
So,
could take me 5 minutes down the
Hello?
street.
Hello?
Goddamn.
I'm listening.
are we still on speaker?
Y'all sweet.
Yeah, I walked a little bit farther away from her.
Okay, so her father used to be a cop,
Yeah, she's told us.
Bro, I'm
and
just going to the Central.
has a lot of trust issues with police, okay, because police didn't help us when we needed help.
Yeah, no, I believe it.
So I don't. We will come pick her up. I just don't want. Her mouth is there.
Yeah. Well, we're at, if I can give you an address, if you guys are willing to come here. Do you want to just pull your car over, back over here? Your mom's coming to help you. Pull over your car right here. Stop right here. Found the keys at least. Where are the keys at?
Down below the seat.
Okay. Josephine.
Yep.
You alright?
Yep.
You're like falling asleep.
No, I'm not.
So, you were just falling asleep right there. So we just, hold on one second. I just have to tell you something real quick.
Right.
The fire department's gonna just make sure you're okay, okay?
Alright.
So, can you turn your car off for right now?
Yep.
Can you just turn the key out of the ignition?
Yeah.
Can you do that for me right now?
Yep.
Right now, before you close the door.
Hold on. When I close the door, it's cold.
Okay. Take the key out of the ignition.
Okay, I will when it's cold.
Do it right now.
Oh.
Do it right now. Hold on.
Okay, so move. What the?
She began behaving in a strange manner.
Hey, how long have you been out here? How long have you been out here? I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I want to check on the kids to make sure that they're okay.
Right here?
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's not making much sense. She doesn't know where she is.
Okay.
There's two kids in the back seat as well that we're concerned about too. Because we don't.
She's just acting altered, or
Yeah, and we don't know.
we don't know if
We-
it's a mental health issue or a substance abuse issue.
A neighbor called saying that car broke down and that she came inside the house to use the phone and that she wasn't coming out of the house.
Car's locked.
I got the key. I mean, it's up to you guys how far you want to go.
Hey, Josephine, we're trying to make sure your kids are okay.
Close my door. Close my door. Now. My daughters are cold, bro. My daughters are cold. Close my door.
I know, but you're not.
Close my door. My daughters are cold. I can't wait to be on the news. I can't wait. Five.
Man, what's your
Hey,
name?
your lineage through. Y'all lineage through. Y'all lineage through. Y'all lineage through.
Hi, sweetie. I know. Grandma's gonna come get you, okay? Okay, are you hungry? Are you hungry or thirsty?
Yeah, cause y'all opening my doors. What the y'all talking
Because
about?
nobody knows why you're out here all day by yourself sitting in the car.
Cause y'all waiting for my OG to pull up. Y'all waiting for my mama to pull up.
Since
Y'all
2
clown
o'clock?
ass. Y'all some crackheads, bro.
What's your
Y'all
name?
some crackheads. Y'all some crackheads.
What's your name?
The officers had no choice but to arrest the woman.
Okay, well, Mokina, whatever. Bro, bro, close my
people
door
out here-
so me and my daughters will be warned, y'all weird ass. Y'all can't get no head, bro. What is up, bro? Close the door, y'all weird ass. Y'all can't get y'all nut off, bro. Y'all
Why
wanna
are
get
you
y'all nut
talking
off
about-
on me and my daughters, bro?
Why are you talking like that?
Hey, when's the last time that your
Why are
daughters
you
have
talking
anything to
like
eat?
that?
Okay.
Back up, son.
I want to go home, Mommy.
children, ma'am.
Please take me home.
We got the kids out of the room.
I want to go home.
Hey, guys.
You guys want to go with that
Don't,
officer?
hey, don't look at him, Zola. You don't know him. You don't know him. You do not know him. You do not know him.
Hey,
You
Grandma's
don't
gonna
know
come
him.
pick you guys
Right.
up, okay?
I know. We finna go.
You gotta go with that officer. Your grandma's gonna come get you,
Zola,
okay?
Ask him why they won't close the door. Ask him.
Hey,
Ask
Zola.
him. Ask him, Zola. Zola, ask him. Why would you close the door? Ask him. Ask
Because
him.
you're under arrest, ma'am.
Talk, little girl. Ask him. Say, why won't you close the trunk?
I just want
Ask him.
Okay,
Ask him.
relax.
Ask him. Ask him. Why won't you close the trunk? Ask him right now. Ask them. Why won't you close the trunk? Why won't you close the trunk? Ask him right now. Mitch, ask him.
I promise, sweetheart.
We're not gonna hurt you
Ask
guys,
him.
okay?
Ask him. Ask him. Ask him.
Ma'am, you need to step out.
Ask him.
We need you guys
Ask
to get
him
out of
again.
the car,
Ask him
okay?
again. Ask him again.
Stop.
Ask him again.
Stop treating your
Ask him
children this
again.
way.
Ask him again. Ask him again. Ask him, Zola.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Talk to your kids like this.
Ask him.
I got this arm. I got this arm. I got her. I got her. We're gonna go home. Stand up.
Mommy!
Stand up.
Wait,
Mike, don't let the kids off. I got her. I got her. We're good.
Got the kid's leg. Hold on.
We want Mommy
It's okay.
back.
I got her. We're good. Go right to the front of the car. Right to the front of the car. Here we go. We're good. We're good. Everything's fine. Ma'am, resisting like this is not helping. Are we clear? You need to stop behaving this way. Okay? You're under arrest for a multitude of charges.